Abia State recorded major strides in education, industrialization, healthcare, infrastructure and economic development as the government sustained its drive to build a more prosperous and people-centered state. Governor Alex Otti honored Abia-born Master Michael Ofakele, one of Nigeria's highest scorers in the 2026 UTME, pledging to sponsor his university education. The governor described academic excellence as worthy of recognition and reaffirmed his administration's commitment to rewarding merit. Education remained a major focus as Governor Otti commissioned the second Abia Smart School at Umuomaiku in Isialangwa North. He encouraged pupils to embrace hard work, announced scholarship opportunities for outstanding learners, and said the Smart School initiative is preparing Abia's children for a technology-driven future. Nigeria's First Lady, Senator 𝗪𝗓𝗓 Tinubu, visited Abia and announced a 2 billion naira intervention to support women involved in 𝗧𝗛𝗘𝗞 cloth production. Governor Otti welcomed the partnership and reaffirmed plans to transform 𝗧𝗛𝗘𝗞 into a globally competitive textile and economic hub. In another investment milestone, the governor pledged government support for an Egyptian pharmaceutical company proposing to establish a drug manufacturing plant in Abia. He also backed a proposed $13.1 million compressed natural gas project at 𝗧𝗛𝗧, while announcing the arrival of 20 additional electric buses to strengthen the state's clean transportation system. During his July media chat, Governor Otti announced that Abia is now ranked as Nigeria's third most improved state in the 2026 Philip Consulting State Performance Index. He also highlighted the state's leadership in maternal and infant health, expansion of smart schools, housing projects, transport reforms, and market redevelopment. The governor also received a delegation from the Ministry of Finance Incorporated, led by its managing director, Dr. Armstrong Takang, who commended the pace of infrastructure development across Abia and the administration's ongoing reforms. Governor Otti reaffirmed his commitment to delivering more projects that improve the lives of Abians. In 𝗪𝗓𝗓𝗞 local government area, Governor Otti received a civic reception in recognition of his administration's development efforts. He announced the extension of the Green Shuttle electric bus service to 𝗪𝗓𝗓𝗞 and Uturu, assured residents that the Man Bridge project would commence as captured in the 2026 budget, and reiterated his commitment to inclusive development across the state. The State Executive Council approved mandatory soil and geotechnical testing for all building approvals to improve structural safety, while ongoing drainage works, erosion control projects, and housing developments continued across the state. The Ministry of Health held its 2026 Joint Annual Review Workshop, where stakeholders reviewed progress in healthcare reforms, including expanded health insurance coverage, digital innovation, and improved access to quality healthcare. Government also commenced the first phase of distributing 50 electricity transformers to communities across the 17 local government areas to improve rural power supply and strengthen energy infrastructure. The Abia Leadership Academy announced a strategic partnership with the Enterprise Development Center of Pan-Atlantic University ahead of its 2026 Youth Leadership Bootcamp, while beneficiaries of the Abia Tech Rise program organized a PVC awareness campaign across Aba, showcasing the impact of the state's digital empowerment initiative. The week ended with Governor Alex Otti and his wife attending the wedding ceremony of the son of the governor's special advisor on monitoring and evaluation in Abuja, where the governor encouraged the newlyweds to build their home on patience, understanding, and mutual commitment. That was this week in Abia, highlighting another week of purposeful leadership, strategic investments, and steady progress towards building a stronger and more prosperous Abia state.